How does solar energy works? Let's find out. Sunlight hits solar panels, which are made of special materials that convert the light directly into DC direct current electricity. This DC power then goes to an inverter, which changes it into AC alternating current electricity, the kind your home uses. If your panels produce more electricity than you need, the excess can be sent to storage batteries to be used later, like at night or on cloudy days. Finally, this AC electricity from either the inverter or the batteries power